In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads Manager account. A manager account, often called an MCC, lets you oversee multiple Google Ads accounts from a single dashboard, which is ideal if you manage different brands, regions, or clients. We'll set this up cleanly so you can get your billing squared away without launching ads prematurely. Start by opening your browser and going to ads.google.com. On the homepage, click the Start Now button. You'll be asked to sign in. Use an existing Google account or create a new one if you want a dedicated login for advertising. It's a good idea to use an account your organization controls so access and ownership remain consistent over time. Enter your business name and your website URL. Keep these details aligned with what appears on your site and other Google profiles. Accurate information helps Google tailor recommendations and can make future verifications smoother. You may see prompts to link other Google properties like YouTube or a Google business profile. You can skip those for now to keep setup focused and connect them later once the account structure is in place. Linking is useful for performance and attribution, but it's not required at this moment. Google will encourage you to create a campaign right away. For now, skip campaign creation so you can finalize your account first. Look for a small link that says leave campaign creation or something similar. It might appear only after you click next on a prompt. Skipping this step ensures you won't spend budget before your settings are ready. Next, select your billing country, time zone, and currency. These choices are permanent, so double check them. Choose the time zone your team uses to review metrics and a currency that matches how you budget and report. Getting this right from the start prevents reporting confusion later. Enter your business and payment information, adding a card or bank account. You may notice a small, temporary authorization on your card that's normal and will drop off automatically. If you have a promotional code, enter it here exactly as provided and review any eligibility terms so it applies correctly. Before finishing, carefully review all your account details. You may be asked to confirm information about your organization. Make sure names, addresses, and tax details match your records, then click Submit to complete setup. You're all set. Your Google Ads Manager account is now ready. With billing and account basics in place, you can safely add accounts, invite teammates, and build campaigns when you're prepared, confident that your foundation is solid.